Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Sich verändern is to change oneself. Sich verändern. How would you say I change myself? Ich verändere mich. You see, ich verändere mich. It's a reflexive verb. You remember? I change myself. How would you say you change yourself? Du veränderst dich. How would you say he changes himself? Er verändert sich. You see, the reflexive pronouns are like the accusative pronouns, except the third person singular and plural, where we use sich. Er verändert sich. How would you say they change themselves? Sie verändern sich. But it's a verb that we use more often in the past, referring to I've changed. So how would you say I've changed myself? Ich habe mich verändert. You see, verändert is the participle. Ich habe mich verändert. I've changed myself. How would you say you have changed yourself? Du hast dich verändert. How would you say we have changed ourselves? Wir haben uns verändert. How would you say I've changed myself a lot? Ich habe mich sehr verändert. You remember, the participle is kicked to the end, the second verb. How would you say I have not changed myself? Ich habe mich nicht verändert. How would you say I've changed myself a lot since I live in Switzerland? Ich habe mich sehr verändert, seit ich in der Schweiz lebe. You see, seit ich in der Schweiz lebe. Seit introduces a subclause and the verb is kicked to the end. So it's like saying, since I in Switzerland live. Seit ich in der Schweiz lebe. Ich habe mich verändert, seit ich in der Schweiz lebe. How would you say, I've changed myself a lot since I'm married? Ich habe mich sehr verändert, seit ich verheiratet bin. How would you say, I've changed myself a lot since I work at Mercedes? Ich habe mich sehr verändert, seit ich bei Mercedes arbeite. How would you say he has changed himself a lot? Er hat sich sehr verändert. How would you say she has changed herself a lot? Sie hat sich sehr verändert. How would you say he has changed himself a lot after he married? Er hat sich sehr verändert, nachdem er geheiratet hat. You see, nachdem er geheiratet hat. After he married has. Nachdem er geheiratet hat. Nachdem introduces also a subclause and the verb is kicked to the end. How would you say she has changed herself a lot after she got married? Sie hat sich sehr verändert, nachdem sie geheiratet hat. How would you say we have changed ourselves a lot after we married? Wir haben uns sehr verändert, nachdem wir geheiratet haben. Great! So next time we'll go through the verb buchen, to book. Buchen, to book. Like to book a trip or a flight. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.